Now, if you're like me and you get a hole saw stuck on an arbor and you're like, yeah, I'm not going to chuck it away because I'll get that off one day, and then you lose your little grub screw that keeps the pilot drilling anyway. So you think, no, I'll keep that because that'll come in handy. And then you've got another one where you've got this other arbor and it's seized up anyway, but no, I'm going to free that up one day, that'll come in handy. And you just keep them and they hang around in your kit. Well, not today, or not anymore after today anyway. I've treated myself to the Bosch Pro hole saw kit. And I got this one because I saw it, and it's got the hole saw one, which is what, a 76mm. That's going to be decent for downlights. It's got a few different sizes. What's that in there? 64mm. And mainly, it's got the main sizes that I use. It's got the 20mm, 25, and stuff like that. And it does come with two of the centre bits. I don't know what you call them, but they're quick release as well. So you can put them in your impact drill if you need to, because these are quite good drill bits, like a 6mm bit. And I did struggle to figure out how you get this out at first, thinking it must click out somehow. Yeah, just pull it, basically, it comes out. So we've got that in there. And then, these are all quick release. You can put, there we go, you can put your 20mm on there if you want. And then, hang about, I'm not doing 20mm holes anymore. I want to do my downlights. So I can put the downlights on. So in effect, there's no need for a couple of arbors. So let's give it a drill. So then, just to get a feel of how they are, I'm going to drill a hole in this decent bit of metal. And I think that will go through, and that is a 51mm bit. I don't use that often, so let's drill through with that. Right, so that is what we're going to go through. All this needs, just look at that, straight on, nice and tight, and it comes off nice and easy. So let's go through with the pilot hole first, and that does fit in there. It is a decent bit, but it fits in. Right, so let's go for the pilot hole. New bits always cut beautifully, so I like getting new bits. Right, let's stick this on now. So 51mm hole straight through this, and we can speed it up for the hole saw. That went through like butter. I love them.